Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X10 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all we will start with customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it and then by the settings. So we have to open them. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the display. Now we have to find the color section. It should be almost at the bottom of the list, and the night light, which is simply the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So basically, of course, we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see, the screen immediately turns yellowish, orangish, or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, if you really like to use your device at night, when the light around you is not really good, then this mode is totally for you. So you can leave it like this, but you can also customize it. So let's tap on night light, and as you can see here, we've got two options thanks to which we can customize this mode. So let's start with the intensity. By this switcher we can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left we can make it much cooler, and by going to the right much warmer. I would say it's really almost orangish in real life. What's more, we can schedule that feature, so we can turn it on custom time on or from sunset to sunrise. So here your device will actually automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are, probably network based or location based. And here we've got the custom time in which we can freely pick start time and the end time. So let me pick start time at 1 o'clock, for example. And as you can see, the screen immediately changes the colors. It is of course because we are between the start and the end time. But let me turn it off. It will be none, so we will turn it on and off manually. And basically, this is the whole customization of this mode. And if you'd like to have much faster access to it, then you have to unroll the top bar and unroll it fully. And now we have to go to the right, at least in my case, to find this icon, night light. If you've got any kind of problem, so if you cannot find it, no worries, just tap on this pencil icon, you will find it in the list for sure. So it is currently turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, the screen will immediately get back to its normal state, and the same situation if you want to turn it on again. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Nokia X10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.